welcome back to my channel today. So today we're going to be doing an unboxing of my THRU Home candle subscription box. So this is the spring 2024 collection that I'm going to be unboxing. So I'm kind of excited because it's like finally spring is coming. And after all the snow that we've all had this winter, I'm really looking forward to spring. So if you're not familiar with THRU Home, this is a candle company and they make a lot of different candles. I think some of my subscribers have even said that they've seen these candles at like TJ Maxx and other stores as well. Maybe it wasn't TJ Maxx, but I know you guys know the brand, that you have seen it before. But they create a quarterly subscription box where you will get candles for that season. And because this box is so full and so loaded with candles, it is a much more affordable way to buy them because you're buying it in bulk. So that's why I love this subscription box, because one, it's way more affordable, but two, I love getting the fresh scents for that season. This box is currently shipping right now, so if you guys want to have the exact same spring box that I'm going to show you, I will be posting a link down below. Additionally, you can save $2 off if you use my link. However, when you go to the website, you might have to search for the word subscription box to actually locate it, is the only thing. Now in winter, we were able to choose between their 2 scent packages. They had one that was like, it's going to be very peppermint and vanilla scents and pine scents. And then they had another one that was like, it's going to be very sweet and like cookies, things like that. So you could choose between this or that. For spring, they did not have that option. It was just, this is the candles that we're offering. And they didn't release any spoilers, you guys. So I have no idea what's going to be in here. I mean, your guess is probably like mine, that I'm thinking spring scents like flowers and fresh cut grass, things like that. But outside of that, I have no idea what could be in this box. But per usual, this box is packed, you guys. Look at this. And all of this is candles, except for maybe that one thing in the middle. What is that? Is that a body lotion or something? But I am getting spring vibes from the colors in here. Okay, I'm gonna start with this item first, because it's definitely not a candle. So this is the richly scented Peony Petals hand cream. It is 6 ounces, full-size product. It says it's a sparkling sunny blend of peony, illuminated by crisp notes of garden rose, sugared freesia, and bright marigolds. So this is our spring lotion. Now, we've not had a lotion before, so this is a first. Oh, I'm so excited. I just get excited when I open this box. And I love candles, so this is great. Next up, we do have a candle that is scented as Palm. Now, this is part of their special 96 collection. We had one of these in the winter box, and it was red, and I can't remember what the scent was on it, but I burned it and I did like it. So this is what it looks like. Really cute, minimalist packaging. You can absolutely reuse these jars as well. So if you burn through the candle, just clean it out at the end. And then you have a candle jar that actually has a seal around it as well, that you could reuse this for other items that you'd want to. I think this would look great in a bathroom, to be honest with you. Oh, yes. So it is palm scented, like palm tree scented, but it smells very fresh. So I'm getting like a powder fresh, like a baby powder, clean, fresh scent to this at the same time. It is a single wick. These candles, they are a combination of soy wax and a few other blends. It's a 13.8 ounce candle. I do feel like they burn for a very long time. It's not like it burns through quickly. This one gives me kind of a musky scent as well. So I feel like this is a great combination of like his and her candle in one. Like it's very unisex because it's this fresh scent, a little bit of muskiness in there, but it's also very clean. I don't know. I like this one. It's different for me, but I think it's going to be great in a bathroom setting. Oh my gosh, you guys. Look, it's Barbie pink. This is my kind of pink. Oh! It's neon! I love it. This is called Love. It is peony and passion fruit, and it is in this neon pink jar. You have a wood lid up here at the top. This one is 7.5 ounces for the size, and it is a single wick in here as well. Peony and passion fruit. Oh yeah. Oh yes. This is, again, very floral. You obviously get the peony. That is predominant. But the passion fruit gives it this kind of like summer vibe. Do you know what I mean? Like, I want to say coconut, but there's no coconut in it. But you know that kind of like tropical, that's what I want. Like a tropical beach scent that's infused with the floral. It's very good. Oh my gosh, this makes me think spring is coming. I'm telling you, I have been feeling the blues so much lately with all of this snow. Like, you guys, it's just overwhelming. And I know I'm not the only one that's had snow this year, but when you just keep getting dumped on, like, smelling something like this is automatically lifting my spirits right now. The next one that I have is an orange soda. Oh my gosh. And it's just a little guy. So this is our orange soda pop candle. Look at how adorable this glass jar looks like. On top, you've got a silicone lid, so it looks like an orange soda as well. This one is 6.4 ounces, and it's supposed to be an orange soda pop scented candle. Oh, it is. It even smells bubbly. How do they do that? So this is very like orange creamsicle, like the orange creaminess, but somehow it smells fizzy. I don't know how they make it smell bubbly, but it does. It smells really good. It's a single wick here. It's a cute little jar. I think you could totally reuse this again afterwards. Clean out the candle when you're done. And then you've got this cute little jar with the silicone lid. I love it. Now, don't worry. I'm sure some of you are like, wow, these are really small candles. I don't know that I would buy this for that size. I've got a couple of big ones here, so let me unwrap these next. So here's one of my huge jars inside of this box. This is from their DW Naturals collection line. The scent is fresh cotton, and it is supposed to be a scent of linen, citrus, soft lavender, and white woods. It is a coconut wax blend. This one is so large, it actually has 2 wicks inside of it. So it's a very big jar. It does have a sealed wood lid up here at the top, and we're going for fresh cotton. Oh yeah, 100%. It smells like a dryer. Dude, and I don't mean that in a bad way, but you know the dryer sheet smell or the dryer vent? That's exactly what this smells like. It's 100% fresh cotton. So they nailed this one. The size on this is 15.5 ounces. So just for comparison here, here's my orange soda. And this one was what, 6.5? I think that's what I said. And this, I mean, it is so much larger than the other one. So this is really big, should last you a very long time. Oh, look at this. We actually got an air freshener too. So DW Home Peony Petals air freshener. This is the same scent as the hand lotion that was included for us also. Our next candle is called Magic Unicorn. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited, you guys. Look at the lid even. It is definitely giving me unicorn vibes. So this is a hand-poured candle, and it is Magic Unicorn scented. 15 ounces on this. It says it should last 60 hours for burn time. 2-wick candle here. Oh my gosh. Oh, it's sweet. I wasn't expecting sweet, but it does. It kind of reminds me of sweet tarts. Like, it smells like a sweet candy. It's very good. But honestly, that's probably what a unicorn would smell like too, is probably sweethearts, like sweet candy, you know what I mean? This is probably very accurate. I bet they've met a unicorn and they know 100% that this is what it smells like. This one is probably my favorite for scent, but I do like the orange one a lot. I like them all in their own way, but this one is just so fun and just, it smells wonderful. So I think this one might be my favorite in the box today. So I'm kind of glad that this is the largest one in here. And we are not done yet, you guys. So I have one more item inside of our box, and I think we have a soap here maybe, but every item comes in bubble wrap, so they do a great job of protecting my items too. So yes, this is a hand soap, and it is Peony Petal scented. So this is the matching scent that we saw with the air freshener and then also the body lotion included. This is going to be a full-size product at 12 ounces. This is also free from dyes, paraffin, parabens, sulfates, and more. And it says that it is going to be a soft blend. So it should give you a little bit of hydration and not strip your skin when washing with this. But it's a sparkling, sunny blend again of roses and peonies and freesias inside of this. This is the first time that DW Home has really mixed it up. So you primarily are getting your candles inside of this box, but I like that they're sending us a few other items that they make from their website. So I kind of like the change that it's not all candles, that you get a little mixture. So that is everything inside of my spring 2024 box for DW Home. We had a total of 8 items inside of this box, you guys. I think it is perfect for springtime. I get the springtime vibes. I love the vibrant colors. Like, I'm ready for spring. Like, I feel so uplifted just smelling these. But if you guys would like to purchase this exact same box, it is still available right now. It is available while supplies last. So if they sell out, you would have to wait until they reopen it back up again. Usually when it sells out on the website, they'll put a note that it's sold out and you can't order it anymore until they get more for their summer boxes. So just keep that in mind. If you want this exact same one, you would need to get on it fairly quickly. But in terms of value, it's $75 for 8 items. You can't go to Bath & Body Works and buy candles for that price point. You know what I mean? So I feel like they do a really great job of giving you a lot of items. They smell great, and then at the same time, you're not breaking the bank either. So until next time, beauties, have a great rest of your day, and I will see you all in my next unboxing video. Bye!